Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I'll be reviewing the Cosuvow S1 4K wireless dashcam. But stay tuned to the end because I'm going to show you some driving footage. Now this is a 4K front dashcam and it's 3840 by 2160p. The dashcam is equipped with the advanced Starvis sensor. It also has a 6-glass lens capturing every detail on the road. The dashcam comes with a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, easily covering 4 lanes. The dashcam can be adjusted 30 degrees, 50 degrees up, and 15 degrees down. Simply move the lever up and down to get the best view of the road. The 4K wireless dashcam comes with a 32 GB starter SD card and supports up to 128 GB. I recommend buying the 128 SD card for more recording space, and the prices for the SDs has gone down significantly. And I'll put a link for that down in the description below to purchase. Since this is an app-based dashcam, the mini dashcam can be hidden underneath the rear view mirror. The dashcam won't block your view while driving. If this is your first time visiting JD Answers, welcome, and hit that subscribe button and select all notifications because I got a lot of dashcam reviews, dashcams installations, and other tech gadget videos. If you're not new here, welcome back. The dashcam comes with WDR technology, which is also known as wide dynamic range, which balances the low light and bright light to give you clear footage of your driving. This enables the camera to capture the license plates and road signs clearly, even at night. You'll be able to see how WDR technology works during the driving footage at the end of this review. The dashcam has a built-in Wi-Fi to connect to an app. Just download the app using the QR codes. You could scan the QR code off the manual, or you could scan the QR code off the box. You can even view your files. You can even select a file and edit it. Then you can share them with your social media, email, or messenger. You can even share it with web chat friends or TikTok right from your smartphone. You could take a picture with the app and share that file. You could even take a screenshot of the video you're reviewing. You can delete the video right from your smartphone as well. You could also download the video to your smartphone. You could even adjust any of the settings from the menu and format your SD card with your app easily. Make sure to change your Wi-Fi password after you connect to the app. For a step-by-step tutorial of the app, make sure to subscribe to this channel because that video will be coming out shortly. I would also include a link in the description once it's been released. The dashcam comes with loop recording. Loop recording will create new recordings that will automatically overwrite the oldest recording when the memory card is full. You don't have to do anything. It's all done by your dashcam. You can set this to 1 minute, 2 minute, or 3 minute loop recordings. Even though you have loop recording, you still need to format your dashcam at least every 2 months. This is because you're recording new videos, deleting videos. The G sensor is also taking up space from loop recording, but we'll get to G sensors shortly. But for more information on loop recording, I'll put a link in the description down below. This video is a must for dashcam users. The dashcam comes with collision sensing, also known as G sensor. G sensor is triggered by collision or shake, like potholes, speed bumps, or braking, and will automatically start recording a 15-second video. The dashcam will lock that current footage and will not be overridden by loop recording. This will protect your video for evidence for any insurance claims. As I stated earlier, you need to format your dashcam every 2 months. All emergency lock files created by your G sensor cannot be overridden by loop recording. This means every lock file takes space from loop recording. The only way to delete those emergency lock files is by formatting your micro SD card. But for more information on G sensor, I'll put a link in the description down below. This video also has value information for dashcam users. This dashcam also comes with parking monitor. In order to utilize a 24-hour parking monitor, a HARDWIRE kit is required. The dashcam kit comes with a low voltage protection feature that automatically turns off the dashcam when the car battery voltage drops below a certain level. This helps to prevent the car's battery from being drained, ensuring that the car can start up automatically the next time you use it. When the parking monitoring function is activated, the dashcam can capture up to a 15-second video of footage after sensing a vibration or impact, even when your vehicle is powered off. Now, this feature offers enhanced protection for unattended vehicles. The dashcam also comes with time-lapse. Time-lapse function is in parking mode feature. However, you need a HARDWIRE kit installed to make this work. This can be set to 1 second, 2 seconds, or 3 seconds. Whatever time you set it, the dashcam will take a picture at that time interval. Then the dashcam will create a video of all those pictures it has taken. If you set the time lapse to 2 seconds, the dashcam records a 2 frames per second, providing continuous parking surveillance recording. At the end of the time of the loop recording, let's say we'll set the loop recording to 3 minutes. Then at the end of the 3 minutes, the video will show 6 minutes of time-lapse recording. Time-lapse will record a longer duration footage without missing any details while parked. The dashcam will capture footage continuously for a long period of time, minimizing the file size. If you need more information about a HARDWIRE kit and how to install a HARDWIRE kit, I'll put links in the description down below. The dashcam also comes with a timestamp. This will include the date and time of the video recording. Now, this is good for detailed evidence during an accident, so make sure you hit yes on this. That way the time and date is included in your video footage. Now, you can set this off or on, but it's your preference. Now, the dashcam also records audio inside your vehicle. You can set this off or on. It's your preference. I recommend leaving it in case of an accident. That way you get all the recorded voices. Now let's put this dashcam to the test with all the features we talked about, the WDR technology, and let me show you some driving footage and you could be the judge of this. So what did you think? Is this the right dashcam for you? If it is, I'll put Amazon links in the description down below to purchase. If this video was helpful for you, please like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And by subscribing to this channel, you're also bookmarking this channel for you to come back for more information and tutorials on dashcams. I also have a step-by-step installation of this dashcam and a tutorial on how to use the app of this dashcam coming out soon. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe!